Okay, so today we are doing some review activities to make sure that things are still fresh in your brain. We are going to be learning about how to add decimals, which is things you've done before, I'm aware, but we've all slept since then. So the first thing that you may want to do is just review what place value is. There's a link here. If you click place value, and it will remind you. Place value is the value where a digit is in the number. So we have the tens place, the ones place. The decimal point then starts counting the other way, tenths, hundreds, thousands. So that's just a reminder. When you are adding and subtracting decimals, they need to be lined up. The decimal points have to be lined up. So we'll go over that some more with our review. Okay, so what is place value? Place value is the value of the digit in the net place of the number. The problem we're going to be discussing is this one that is right here. The number 5.86 is written to the, and if you do not remember, you should go back and click the link above, but this is to the hundredths place. And I probably spelled it wrong, of course. Okay. The number 1.2 is written to the tenths place. How can I tell that? So the hundredths place is because when I looked at my reminder here, this first one is in the tenths place. The second one is in the 100ths place. So it counts just like it does up front with the exception of the ones. This goes ones, tens, hundreds. This goes tens, hundreds, thousands. So going back, the number 1.2 is 1 and 2 tenths. So that means that we will write tenths right here. Okay. I will need to make sure that I have both numbers. They are written in the same place value. So therefore I can add zeros to the number to make the place value be the same. So let's do a couple of examples and then you guys will practice a few. So the first thing that I'm going to ask is, are these two in the same place value? I can tell that they are not because this is 2 and 3 tenths because there's only one number past the decimal point, and this is 4 and 58 100ths. So if I'm going to rewrite this to make sure that they are in the correct order, I'm going to put 2 and 30 100ths. So notice that I just added a 0 plus 4 and 58 100ths. Now you see that they have the same numbers, they have the same place value, they all work the same. A little trick that I did learn is that if you want to put your plus sign, which I do because I'm a nerd, I have to space them over and then I can add my plus. And then fix it so that it looks like it's supposed to look. With that being said, now we just add them as you normally would do, straight down. 0 plus 8 is 8. Well, if I had a pencil, it would be helpful, but I don't. So we space our way over. This one is 8. 3 plus 5 is also 8. And let's make sure they're still lined up. I've got a decimal point, so I've got to keep backspacing. 4 plus 2 is 6. It seems like using the computer to do this is pain, but when we have to do all of our show our work on our iLearn or on our tests, we need to make sure that we have a way to show what our work is. So making sure that it's easy for the teacher to be able to grade. So that is that example. I can do some more examples in class or in our digital things if you need to, but the main important thing that you need to know out of this is to make sure that the numbers have the same amount of decimals behind the decimal point. You line up the points to add.